Hi and welcome to my channel. I have some old footage from when I was unboxing my first Cricut and I thought I would make it into a YouTube video. This was a big and exciting moment for me. I had spent many months saving up for my very first Cricut and I got the Maker. Since getting my Cricut Maker 5 years ago, it changed my crafting game completely. A Cricut is a die cut machine that allows you to cut your own vinyl and heat transfer vinyl at home. It also etches glass. It can cut small wood chip pieces. The things that you can do with a Cricut Maker are just endless, and this was a great investment for me because I love crafting and making things, and getting a Cricut was taking my crafting to the next level. If you like to make your own stickers, a Cricut Maker is also a great investment. As most of you know, I love cooking from scratch and I do a lot of canning. So when I am making my lid stickers, I use my Cricut to cut them. I've also used my Cricut for writing and drawing. It does foiling and engraving and embossing. I have print and cut with it. As I shared with you, I've made stickers, but also labels. And there's just so many different projects and body art and nail art you can make with a Cricut machine. I do a lot of iron-on work, home decor, just almost anything you can make with this Cricut machine. If you are familiar with dream boxes, I am in my dream craft box that allows me to keep all of my crafting supplies organized, and I love it. My mom got it for me for my birthday about 7 years ago, and it has been the best thing and helps me keep all of my stuff organized so I don't overbuy or rebuy. And crafting is more fun when you can see everything. So if you want a tour of my dream box, just drop it in the comments below and let me know. So you just saw me unboxing my very first cutting mats. Oh, that was so nice to see because I've gone through so many since then. And now I'm just taking my Cricut machine out of the plastic and getting to know the different features and how it all works. Thanks for taking this quick stroll down memory lane with me as I unbox my very first Cricut Maker. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on my next upload.